Hey guys, what's up? So whenever you work on a project which is connected to some Git server, then you obviously have some remote repositories, and you use those repositories to push your data to, push your code to, and sometimes pull the code changes that are done by other people. So repositories are like a central location where people just pushes their code, and other people then pulls those code changes, and then they themselves make some code changes and push that to the repository. So repository is a place where, which can be used for a collaborative um, coding place. Okay, so this is the place where you make changes and put all your changes, and other people, they will take your changes and then they will put their changes there. Okay, so if your project is related to some Git server, then obviously on that server you have a repository, uh, and your project, local directory of your project is connected to that remote repository, and from time to time you connect to that remote repository and push and pull changes. Pushing means whatever changes you have made on your local server, you are just pushing that to the remote server. And pulling means you are just getting all the changes done by other people and committed to that repository. You are pulling all those changes to your local directory. Okay, so that was about the repository. Now, the main purpose of this video is how to get to know all the repositories your current directory is connected to. Okay, so for that, there is a very simple command, that is git remote. It will list you all the remote repositories that are connected to your this project. One project can be connected to many remote repositories. Okay, so it's not that just because it is returning one result here means it is going to be connected to only one remote repositories. There can be more than one. Okay, so git remote will just return you the name of the remote repository, but if you are interested into the address of that remote repository, then you will have to pass an argument git remote -v, and it will not only return you the name of the remote repository but also the address of that remote repository. Okay, and then it will also mention like, okay, this address will be used for fetch and this address will be used for push. Okay, so if there are more than one repositories, then they will also be listed here for their fetch and push addresses as well. Okay, so this is a very simple command that you will use to know about the name and address of the remote repositories your current local project directory is connected to. So I hope things are clear for you guys. So see you guys in the next video.